Yeah, so, I don't trade overnight, right? I don't sleep on positions usually, usually. But last night I was like, "You know what? I was seeing this here on the Komodo indicator. I was seeing this buy signal popping up and we were pumping. We were starting to break the range and I was like, "Okay, this seems like an interesting position to play overnight because like, you're I was also looking at like the 8 hour, the wave was starting to open up, everything was starting to pump. And look, 12 hour printing a green dot. I was seeing that. So I'm like, okay, things are developing here. We've already and we like yesterday I was like during the day I was getting all caught up in a whole bunch of chop because it was just working its way to that to the trend line and it smashed a little bit through the trend line, right? Gave me a little scare, but then it started to turn around. And so I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna throw in some ETH and see what happens overnight. And yeah, sure enough, woke up this morning to being in a nice position here. It was like at the top this morning, and then literally on my way to the office from my house to the office, it just tanked and just took that entire vector candle.
Sorry.
And so I'm like, I'm all like feeling all good driving in, and I get in, and I'm like, it's like at my fucking entry price, damn it!
This
Like,
is
what the
such a funny story because this is
I
exactly what would happen to you, and I just love it.
I know, it's like I could have taken profits, came back in the office, done the same exact damn trade. Because look at it now, it's like ridiculous, Anyway, I thought that was pretty funny. I
So,
was like, I
did,
thought I would
like,
at
all
least
your profit get just taken away, essentially?
almost, yeah. So like I entered here. Here's my entry at about 1659. And then really bad entry, right? I should a better entry would have been down here at the fib. But um, yeah, I entered there, skyrocketed up, then just come tumbling down, literally on my drive into the office. So
Wow,
that was
insane.
pretty funny. But I did such a small order and it's low leverage, right? Because I was gonna sleep on it. And yeah, I didn't go ham on this one. So it was still just, it's only like I think it's like maybe like right now it's probably maybe like close to $200, but I'm like, hey, this is actually could be where am I thinking this is gonna go now? I mean, I think like if we go back, let's take a step back to the daily. Let's take take this picture out, right? I think I might hold on to this position for a long time, right?
Mm,
Because it's a small amount, low leverage. Um, and you know what? Look at this daily, look at this beautiful candle we just formed here. If we can hold this, maybe even get even higher highs here with this candle, right? Bring us up to the next level. I'm thinking we could get into the 18s, 19s. Shoot, we've been trying to get up to this 2K region for some time. Maybe this is the next pump that gets us there, but it's just like on the daily, it's just this trend line. See, this is the trend line I was really talking about. It's like it's just been really strong. It's been, boom, started here, one, tap two, three, right? And so I was like, okay, now is the next level up. And that could be the top before we start actually then doing the whole dive down kind of thing. Um, so I don't know. Yeah, so that's what I'm playing out. I'm like, maybe I
mm.
just hold on to this and see what happens. As it gets up here to the 18s and 19s. Because it's gonna want to flirt maybe over the weekend. It does a crazy pump, you know what I mean? And gets up there to the 2K level. But I'm assuming once you get there. Also, jobs report came out today. So ETH is up 5%. That's incredible.
Yeah, it is.
Jobs report came out today. You know, job growth, unemployment fell. Things are looking good for the job market, which means See, this is where I'm like, I don't know what this really kind of means for the market in general, though,
It's only
because it's
starting
like,
to go.
okay, jobs report comes out really good, but that also means the Fed is still good. Is could potentially hike rates up to like another 0.75 again or another whole point, just because it's like they need to try to get the economy to slow down. And with the whole jobs booming, spending going crazy still, it's not. It's the Fed will probably still raise interest rates. So, I know, right? That's what I'm saying, dude. Jobs are for suckers. Um, so if you, I mean, it's, anyways. I'm liking this candle here. I mean, the daily, the VWAP starting to point in, money flow starting to curve in. Maybe we even start getting a green dot. So let's get this going. Let's see how high we can get this. And so I'm just gonna probably keep that little position I have and see what happens. Um, yeah. Anyway, I'm bullish right now. I'm thinking we're ready to move on to the next level. Bitcoin, how is it doing? Doing the same thing, right? Challenge the oh man, scary. Definitely challenged the trend level. Now it's starting to move away. So let's see if we can get a nice bounce up and I mean, yeah, look at this big vector candle zone. I could see it trying to take. We could get a decent pump here. Um, and yeah, here we have the macro fib level at 27.8. So that's the level I would expect price to reach. This one's even more strong. These fib levels, it's like 29. So let's jump, like let's get up to 30K. That's what I would like to see. Long term, like next few weeks kind of thing. Because it's gonna have to happen well, it doesn't have, but yeah, it'll probably happen in levels, right? And then we'll start coming down. You know what I mean? So it'll that's kind of what I'm seeing. I think we have another level, and then we'll be partying up here in this region here.
Oh yeah,
Um,
partying. Damn
oh yeah,
straight.
we'll be
Dickenses will
partying.
be retiring.
Sola's up
Great.
4.6. Yeah, ETH is just pumping, up 6%.
Whole
Oh,
market's up.
Near's up
Good
16. What is
lord.
going on with Near?
Well,
What's
they got a
what's
data breach, bro.
they
Don't you know? We should
Dude, I
start
know
to
when you
expect this.
I was like,
Hacks and
when you
data
were talking
breaches
about
mean nothing.
Near, I was
They're
like
bullish.
I was like thinking to myself, "Oh, I'll go check on to see how Near's dumping right now with this data breach." And it's like,
It's like when the Nomad Bridge got hacked. It's like there wasn't even a blip. Just kept going up. It's just
oh,
nope.
wow.
That's a big
Wow.
candle right there. Dude, Near does some
Dude,
crazy candles. They get some weird, crazy
gosh,
candles over there at Near.
I'm failing right now. Dang, Near is
Yeah,
pumping.
rocket to the moon right there.
16%
Pumping
today.
good.
How
Yeah.
about that? So today
Um,
looks like it's gonna be, AVAX up 5. So let's pump, guys. I think I might stack
pump
some
it up.
Bitcoin today. Maybe. I don't know. I'm getting bullish. I'm like, I'm just gonna start FOMOing at the top now.
Yeah, just got to keep DCAing. That's what you tell yourself. You're not at the top. You're just at one of the bottoms. Just DCAing.
Just run at the
I just
bottoms.
DCA each level up. I don't DCA at down. I
Down.
DCA up.
I,
I DCA the pump.
that
That's how we do it, right? That's how it's
oh
supposed to be done,
I
right?
think I mean, yeah,
Why,
that could be a
why not? Why
strategy.
not? Just DCA all the
Yeah.
time.
Just
Really, what
constantly
you should do.
just keep buying. Yeah. Yeah, see, here we go. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah, so we
Oh,
could
there we
be
go.
because I want to get up into the 1700s here and then get back up in a range like this or just blast past it. Like I want to see some highs. Like you see this, like I want to see highs, higher highs. That's what I want to see now.
Oh yeah,
Took
bring
your
them
cool
on.
down. Let's get some higher highs.
I'm all about it. All about them higher
Anyway,
highs. Okay. Wow. Says that's what you're saying. We're going higher, is what you're saying.
we're going up. Number goes up.
Number
The
go
weather
up.
today looking like numbers going up.
Awesome. Wow. Well, that's great news. I don't think we
Yeah.
could have better Friday news, really.
Thank you for watching GMTV.